Good morning, students. In the last classes, we are seeing the chapter continuity and differentiability, under which we are seeing some questions based on continuity, based on differentiability, and some questions of differentiation. Now, today we will see some other questions related to this chapter. Okay, so let's see. Our first question is: if cos y is equal to x cos a plus y. Okay, this is we have given, and then prove that sin a, sin a d2y by dx2 plus sin 2 a plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, students, this is we have to prove that, and this question is asked in CBSE 2014 and CBSE 2014 and not 2016. Okay, students, now today we will solve this question. Okay, so first of all, student, we write x is equal to cos y by cos a plus y. Okay, students, so our x is equal to cos y and cos divided by cos a plus y. Okay, so we differentiate this with respect to y, so we write dx by dy d differentiation of n minus n differentiation of d. So this is sin a plus y into 1 and divided by d whole square. Okay, student, so this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this is the formula of sin a minus b, and this is cos square a plus y. So this is equal to, student, dx upon dy, and we are saying that this y and y is cancelled, and dy by dx is sin cos square a plus y by sin a. Okay, student, so our dy by dx is cos square a plus y by sin a. Now we have to prove that sin a d2y by dx2 plus sin 2a plus y dy by dx. So student, we send this side, so sin a dy by dx equal to cos square a plus y. Okay, students, now what we will do, we will again differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so we write sin a d2y by dx2, and here, student, 2 cos a plus y, and this is minus sin a plus y into dy by dx. Okay, students, so student, we write Okay friends, so this is sin A d2y by dx2, and in right hand side we are seeing this is 2 sin A cos B. So 2 sin A sin B, so we write sin 2A, so we write sin 2, and A is with negative sign A plus y dy by dx. So we take this to the left hand side, sin A d2y by dx2 plus sin 2 a plus y dy by dx, which is equal to 0. Okay students, so this is which we have proved in this way. Okay, so let's see once again students, if our cos y is equal to x cos a plus y, then we have to show that sin a d2y by dx2 plus sin 2 a plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay students, so from here we are seeing that x we can write cos y by cos a plus y. Now differentiating this with respect to y, we are getting dx by dy, d differentiation of n minus n differentiation of d by d whole square. So this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this is the formula of sin a minus b. From here we are seeing our y and y cancel, and cos square is a plus y. So dy by dx is cos square a plus y by sin a. We can do its reciprocal. Now do cross multiplication, we get sin a dy by dx is cos square a plus y. Okay students. Now again differentiating with respect to x, we get sin a into y by dx2, and this is 2 cos a plus y into cos and into sin a plus y dy by dx. Okay, now we are seeing that this is 2 cos a sin a, so we can write sin 2a at the place of this. So this is sin 2a and dy by dx. So take to the right hand side, we get sin a dy by dx2 plus sin 2a dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay students, I hope you understand. Now we'll see another question. Let's see. Our next question is, if x is equal to a sin 2t 1 plus cos 2t, and y is given b cos 2t under bracket 1 minus cos 2t. Okay friends, then we have to show that dy by dx at x is at t is pi by 4, and t is equal to pi by 4, this is equal to b by a. Okay, this is equal to b by a. Okay student, so this is our question, and question says that students, find the value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Find the value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Okay friends, and this question is asked so many times in your board examination, 2006, 2016, 2014, 2014, 2006, 2014, 2015, 2016. Okay, students. So this is very important question, students, from your examination point of view, because this is asked so many times in your board examination questions. Let's start our first part. Okay, so solution is that take x is equal to a sin 2t 1 plus cos 2t. Okay, so first of all we differentiate this with respect to t. So a first function, differentiation of second function, minus sin 2t into 2 plus second function, differentiation of first function, cos 2t into 2. Okay, students. Now we are saying that this 2 is common, so take 2 outside, we get this is when we are saying that. Okay, friends. So we are saying that a2 and 2 is common, so take 2 outside. We write minus sin square 2t, and this is cos 2t and cos square 2t. Okay, friends. So this is 2a, and this we can write cos square 2t minus sin square 2t and plus cos 2t. Okay, so 2a is, this is cos 4t plus cos 2t. Okay, student. So dx by dt is, this is the first equation. Now we take another part b, which is y is b cos 2t 1 minus cos 2t. Okay, student. Now this is our second part. We are going to differentiate this with respect to t. So dy by dt is b. This is first function. So differentiation of second function is a plus sin 2t into 2 and plus second function, differentiation of first function is minus sin 2t into minus 2. Okay. First function, differentiation of second function, so this is 0 and this is 2 sin 2t minus plus, and second function, differentiation of first function is minus sin 2t into 2 or minus 2. Okay, students. So this is taking negative sign and this minus, taking 2 outside, students. Okay, so we are getting 2b and cos 2t. Don't take it outside. We are seeing that this is 2 sin a sin b, so cos sin 2a, which is sin 4t. Okay, students, and here minus, this is, and this is total minus, and this 2 take outside, and this is sin 2t minus 2 sin 2t and plus 2 sin 2t cos 2t. Okay, students, so B is sin 4t minus 2 sin 2t plus this is again sine 4t. Okay students, so we are taking this is 2 tan. To take 2 outside, we get sine 4t minus sine 2t. Okay students, so dy by dt is 2b sine 4t minus sine 2t. Okay students, now we find out students our dy by dx. Okay, so let dy by dx is dy by dt and divided by dy by dx upon dt. So our value of dy by dt is 2b sine 4t minus sine 2t by 2a. This is cos 4t plus cos 2t. Okay, so this is cancelled student. We are getting this b by a. Okay, and students, now we have to find this value at pi by 4. So dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. So students, we get sine 4 into pi by 4 sine 2 into pi by 4 and by cos 4 into pi by 4 plus cos 2 into pi by 4. So student, b by a, and this is sine pi, so this is 0, and this is sine pi by 2, so minus 1, and this is cos pi, which is minus 1, and cos 90, which is 0. So student, from here we are getting b by a, and minus 1 by minus 1, this is cancelled. So this proof that our dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 is b by a. Okay students, now students, let's see once again what we have done in this question. Our question is x is this and y is this, then prove that dy by dx at t is equal to t by pi by 4 is b by a. Okay, and then find the value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so this is our question. So we are first going to solve first part. Or dx by dt is a, which is first function definition of second function. Second function definition of first function. Taking this to outside, we are getting a, that is minus sin square 2t and cos 2t, cos square 2t. Send this inside. This part will be equal to cos square 2t minus sin square 2t, and this is cos 4t. Okay students, and this is cos 2t. So y is equal to b cos 2t and 1 minus cos 2t is given. So students, we again differentiate this with respect to t. So first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. After multiply with sin 2t, we get that this part is this part. So this is 2 times. So we take 2 outside, we get sin 4t minus sin 2t. Okay students, now we find dy by dx, which we can write dy by dt by dx upon dt. So we put the value, we get this is cancelled, and b by a, which is this. Now students, at t is pi by 4, we will put the values and we get b by a, which we have to prove that. So first part I hope to clear. Now we will find the value of this. Okay, so student, now the value of dy by dx at pi is equal to pi by 3 is, okay students, so dy by dx at t is pi by 3. So this is b by a, and sine 4 pi by 3 minus sine 2 pi by 3 by cos 4 pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3. Okay students, so b by a, and this is, so students, this we can write pi plus pi by 3, and this is sine pi minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, because this is 3 pi 4 pi by 3, and this is 3 minus 1 2 pi by 3, and this is student cos pi plus pi by 3, cos pi plus pi by, sorry, pi minus pi by 3. Now b by a, sin 1 plus theta is minus sin theta, and sin 1 minus theta is sin theta, and cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta, cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay student, now we put all the values and get the result. Okay, so from here student, we are seeing that this is b by a, and this is 2 times minus sin pi by 3 and minus 2 times cos pi by 3. So this is cancelled. So sin pi by 3 is sin 60, which is root 3 by 2, and cos pi by 3 is cos 60, which is 1 by 2. So this is root 3. Okay students, so our value is root 3b by a. Okay students, so it will be our result which we have to find out. I hope you understand this second part, under which we have just changed the limit, which is t is pi by 3, 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 and now this 4 pi by 3 we can write pi plus pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3, pi plus pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3. Okay, now this sin pi plus theta minus sin theta, sin minus theta minus sin theta. Okay, cos pi plus theta minus cos theta, cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, and this is 2 times, so we write minus 2, this will be cancelled, and sin pi by 3 is sin 60, so we get value root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, so this is root 3. Okay students, I hope you understand. Now student, we take another question and solve it. Okay, so next question is student, if y is equal to y under root x square plus 1 is equal to log under root x square plus 1 minus x, then prove that x square plus 1 dy by dx, x square plus 1 dy by dx plus xy plus 1 is equal to 0. This is, we have to prove that, and this question is asked in 2006 CBSE. Okay students, now we will solve this question students. So we take this and differentiate with respect to x. So it will be first function differentiation of second function, and this is 2x plus second function differentiation of first function dy by dx, and this is 1 by x, log 1 by x. This is log x, so this is 1 by x, and differentiation of this we can write 1 by 2 root x into 2x minus 1. Okay, students. So now, student, we will see that this will be cancelled, and here this will be cancelled. So we write x y by under root x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 dy by dx, and this is 1 by x square plus 1 minus x, and student, and this is x minus 1 by under root x square plus 1. Okay. Now, student, okay, student, now this is 1 by x square plus 1 minus x, and this is take LCM x square plus 1, we get x minus x square plus 1. Okay, students, now this is root x square plus 1 dy by dx, and send this to the right hand side, we get minus xy by under root x square plus 1. Okay, now taking negative sign outside, student, we are getting x minus under root x square plus 1 minus x by x square plus 1 minus x, and this is 1 by under root x square plus 1 minus xy under root x square plus 1. Okay, so this part, student, we are seeing that this is cancelled, and minus 1 by x square plus 1 and minus xy by under root x square plus 1, and this is 2 dy by dx under root x square plus 1. Okay, students, now we are taking a common minus under root x square plus 1 and getting inside 1 plus xy. Okay, sending this to the left hand side, we get, student, x square plus 1 dy by dx, and we get x square plus 1 dy by dx, which is minus 1 minus, this is plus 1 plus xy is equal to 0, and this is the required result which we have to prove that. Okay, student, so let's see once again what we have done in this question. This is our question, and we have to show that this is equal to 0. Okay, now we start the differentiation with respect to x. So this is first function, differentiation of second function 2 root x, and this is 2x, and second function differentiation of first function, this is log x, so 1 by x, and differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, and x square is 2x and minus 1. Now here this is cancelled. Okay, students, here this part is cancelled. We can write xy by under root x square plus 1, and this part is, and this is, and write x by root x square plus 1 minus 1. Okay, students, now take LCM from here and send this part to the right hand side. We are seeing that taking minus sign outside, this part is cancelled, and getting minus 1 by root x square plus 1 minus xy by under root x square plus 1. Taking again minus sign outside, and this, we get 1 plus xy and this part, and send this to the left hand side, we get x square plus 1 dy by dx, and this is plus 1 plus xy is equal to 0. I hope you understand, students. So thank you so much. Now we will see some other question in the next class. Okay, thank you.